PestPro Pest Repeller is marketed as an ultrasonic device that supposedly drives away rodents and insects without chemicals, traps, or mess. The ads here make it sound like a permanent solution to household pests, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, ultrasonic pest repellers are widely available, and some people report seeing fewer pests after using them. However, the scientific evidence for consistent, long-term effectiveness is mixed. What it does well: easy to use. Simply plug the device into a power outlet with no ongoing maintenance. Chemical-free approach. It doesn't rely on sprays or pesticides around your home, where the hype falls apart. Scientific evidence is mixed. This is the biggest issue. Research has not consistently shown ultrasonic devices to eliminate pest infestations on their own. It won't solve a serious infestation. Large pest problems usually require traps, sealing entry points, or professional pest control. Performance varies by home. Room layout, furniture, and walls can reduce how well ultrasonic waves travel. So, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Short answer: it may help in some situations, but it's unlikely to be a complete pest control solution by itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.